What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva, crypto babe. I am back. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, we're back to talk about M.A.P, how to earn these $247 instant commissions. Was talking to a couple people just the other day. I got some messages about the program, and someone asked, and I didn't mention this in the last video, but this is so true. He asked, well, how else can I market it? Do I have to just do internet marketing? And this program, no, you don't. This program, the way the owner set it up, he set it up where you can actually do direct mail as well. Okay, so we're going to talk about how you can promote this program using direct mail, mailing postcards. Okay, and they've created the postcard template for you, so you don't have to go outside the company and look for a vendor or any of that stuff. All right, so we're going to talk about that, and I'm going to show you. I don't have any more on hand right here, but I had ordered the postcards, and I'll show you the template that I use, but they've gotten some new ones that they've created since I ordered mine. So let's take a look. So M.A.P is an all-in-one system that allows you to build your own business using our marketing tools and products. Your success is inevitable. Here's why you'll succeed. Of course, there's no guarantees, okay, because we don't know your worth ethics. But what they're saying is, if you take action, okay, be consistent, use the tools that they provide, it's possible that you can earn as well. Okay, I've showed you guys many $247 commissions I've earned using this system. Okay, so they're saying here's how you would succeed. It's because they have the done for you system to make your life easier. They provide the capture pages, they provide the video sales page, they provide the built-in follow-up to follow up with your prospects when they enter their name and email, and then they have the auto recruiting, because this is a system. Okay, as people flow through the system and they go and watch the video, the emails are coming to them, okay, to remind them of the program, and then people sign up. That's how they sign up. Okay, most of the time people don't call me personally, they just go ahead and sign up because of the system that's in place. So you get the system that has been proven to be a lucrative, safe space for entrepreneurs. This automated marketing system is designed to find motivated people who simply want more out of life while avoiding the shackles associated with income restrictions. This done-for-you system is taking the home-based business world by storm. Okay, you get 3 effective and proven capture pages. These capture pages introduce your prospects to our powerful system, and once they opt in, the reasons for them to join you become crystal clear. Okay, so here's a couple of the capture pages. Right here, the unlimited page, then you have the $741 page, and I'm using online the recession video page. But this is a new page here they created a little bit ago, and this is the one that they're saying that's doing very well far as the postcards, mailing them. All right, so we're going to talk about that here in a second. I'm going to show you some stuff here. Hang on one second. You get sales page and bonus page that create cash. We include the full-blown autoresponder. The fortune is in the follow-up, and we're the kings of closing. Not only do we follow up with your prospects, we send them some of the best copywriting in the industry. They want to hear from you. They want to feel someone is out there to help them, and we show them that you're going to get them where they want to go. It's built in. Connect with your prospects. Discover the inside secrets to building and profiting from your email list. Just one sale can be a car payment. Okay, I can't tell you how many times I've sent, the system has sent an email and or I also send my own personal emails to my list, and people respond to those, and they do sign up over time. You have to build your list. Okay, how do we get people to look at our capture page? That is the biggest challenge that people have. AKA, what does this mean? How do you find people? Great question. The answer is simple. Traffic packages. So this is the online way, right, where you can actually buy traffic. Okay, solo providers out there, you pay them and they'll send buyers over to your page. This is what they're talking about, and there's some traffic packages in the back office of this system. All right, but what we're talking about is we're going to be talking about mailing the postcards. Okay, so finding a good mailing list. I have my own resources, and then this company has put some resources in the back office here that you can utilize. Okay, but they've made it simple. There's no monthly fees with this program. It's a one-time payment. You're going to pay $247 to your inviter. You're going to pay $33 to the company. Okay, you can use a debit card or credit card to make your payment. All right, guys, and you're set up instantly. Okay, there's no delay. There's no middleman here. You're going to be paid directly from the people that sign up with you any way you want. You decide how you want to receive your payments. You can accept debit cards, credit cards, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Authorized.net, whatever you want. Okay, so here's one of the pages. They also provide digital products. That's what you're getting here, digital products to teach you how to market online. Not just this program, this is universal training that you're going to get access to. Okay, you can access this from anywhere in the world as long as you have Wi-Fi connection and a smart device. All right, so get ready to cash in with M.A.P. $247. Okay, so you start mailing, let's say you start mailing your postcards, your first sale, boom, $247 goes in your pocket. Remember, you're going to spend $280 one time to get in the program, $33 to the company, $247 to me. First sale in your pocket. Second sale passes up. Okay, your third sale and beyond to infinity, you're going to keep all those sales, and all the people that sign up with you, they're going to pass up their second sale. That's going to give you leverage in the program. Okay, those are passive profits that's going to pass up to you automatically on autopilot. Okay, so just put in the work and let the system do the heavy lifting for you. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, the link is in the description. Go straight to the system, www.besteasyworkincome.com. That way, straight through the M.A.P system, so you'll see how it works, because this is a system you're going to get as well. It's included. All right, so let's go into the back office. Let me show you that you can use postcard marketing, direct mail marketing, to promote this opportunity. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so we're in our members area here, and so what you want to do is click on get traffic. All right, because that is a form of traffic, mailing the postcards. Okay, and then you come down here, guys, see it says postcards. They're already, the templates are already there for you, so you don't have to go out and create this stuff. All right, so check this out. This is one of the newer cards that they created right here. Discover how everyday people are banking $741 per day. No selling, convincing, headaches, hassles. 100% automated. Start earning $741 plus overrides now. And then they have proof payment on the card, on the front, and then on the back you can see that as well. Okay, guys, so this is the do-it-yourself postcard page, which means you will need postcards, postage, and also mailing labels. All right, so if you want to get started with this and you join me and you say, hey, you know what, I just want to order, I just want to do the postcard marketing, I don't want to deal with the internet marketing part of it, just want to mail cards. All right, so I will mail you 200 leads. That's names and addresses of people that's interested in making money online from home. Okay, guys, so let's look at some of the templates that they've already created for you. Here's one, easy 741 plus days, get paid daily, work from home, work from anywhere, no selling, no convincing, That's one side of the card, and here's the other side, and it has the 800 number here. All right, this postcard an example of your done for you traffic. Proof inside, cash dash 24/7. Now this is the card that I ordered right here. These strange times demand a fast payout program. Receive unlimited daily payments while you sleep. That's the one I initially ordered. We've addressed the most important question every marketer has. How do I find people? The postcard is an example of our done for you traffic. It's push button easy. That is one of the easiest ways. That's how I got started and found my success online, was doing the postcard marketing. Then I learned the internet marketing later on. Okay, here's another one. Recession proof is just like the website that I'm using online, so they've made it into a postcard right here. So here's another postcard, recession proof. Our economy equals unlimited payments. Then they, as I said, they have the 824-hour overview number on the card as well. Here's another one. These things are scams, they said. Okay. Then here's another one. Stupid simple system, pays you all day like magic. And here's the latest one. I like this one. Okay. The Discover card. Discover the #1 system for banking, 741 per day. No selling, no convincing headache, no headaches, no hassles. All right. And then they got payment proof right on the front here. Traffic built in, 741 per day like clockwork. We're introducing a system that creates unlimited payments to you even while you sleep. The system is ready to start making money. 741 per day is an average for newbies, plus our newly released product will increase your lifespan. That's a nice card. I can see why that would convert. Okay, and they have a clock right here. That's pretty cool. All right, so that's how that would work. And now here's the prices of the company that they're showing you. You can get 500 postcards, $105, includes the shipping. All right, on here, get your labels. Like I said, I have my own resources. I'll be happy to refer you guys to a resource that I use, but they have this in the back office as well. They have a resource for you. You can order the cards. You can do the done for you. If you don't want to even put the labels and everything on the cards, we have a company that will do all that for you if you want to do that. If you want to do it yourself, that's fine. Me personally, I like to do it myself, put my labels and stamps on them. That's just what I like to do. But they do have a company we can refer you to where they will do it all for you. But you can promote this system. That's the point that I'm trying to make, using offline marketing. You don't have to, because there's some people like, hey, I just don't want to deal with the online marketing. I'd rather just put labels and stamps, dropping them in the mail. And then when people sign up or people go to the page, they'll know because they'll get an email to say, hey, you got a lead. Or if they sign up, you're going to get a payment, right? So it's already been proven that 99% of the work is done for you. So if you want to do postcard marketing, that is an option right here in the back office. Just go over here, click get traffic, go to postcards. Okay, guys? Real quick, here's a snapshot of my card that I ordered right here. I'm covering up my domain because that's the domain I use when I mail postcards. But this is the one I was talking about, These Strange Times. That's the card that I used when I did the direct mail. Okay? All right, guys, so if you're ready to start earning these $247 commissions, and if you want to use offline marketing, postcard marketing, direct mail with this program, go to www.besteasyworkincome.com. Get started. If you want to actually just do the mailing, once you sign up, let me know. Send me your mailing address. I will mail you 200 leads, names and addresses of people that's interested in making money online. That way you have your leads ready to go. And I will also refer you to the company that I use to get my postcards printed at a great price. All right. So if you're ready for that, go to that link, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Get started. Reach out to me. Let me know you're ready to get started, or go ahead and get started and reach out to me afterwards so that we can chit chat and we can get you on board with this program. $247 over and over and over, unlimited. There's no cap here. There's no monthly fees. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.